Are you in the market for a high-performance, cordless finish nail gun? The WORX WX841L might just be the tool you need. Designed for efficiency and ease of use, this nail gun is built to handle a variety of tasks, from baseboard installation to attaching door trim. Let's dive into its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to see if it fits your needs. The WORX gun boasts a brushless motor that provides 25% more power, 50% longer runtime, and 10 times the motor life compared to standard brush motors. This makes it a reliable tool for frequent and demanding use. The nail gun uses Nail Force air impact technology to fire nails up to 2.5 inch into hardwood, achieving a rate of up to 70 nails per minute in bump mode. One of the standout features is the tool-free jam release, which allows for quick and easy clearing of nail jams, keeping your project on track without unnecessary downtime. The dry fire lockout prevents the tool from firing when empty, which helps protect your work surface and extend the tool's life. The nail gun also features dual LED lights that illuminate your work area, making it easier to see in dimly lit environments. The narrow nose design ensures a clear line of sight for precise nail placement. Additionally, the tool-free depth adjustment allows for quick and easy changes to the driving depth, catering to various project requirements. This nail gun is part of the PowerShare family, meaning the 20-volt battery can be used with over 75 other tools, providing versatility and cost savings if you already own other WORX products. Ready to tackle your next woodworking project with ease? Check out the WORX on Amazon through the link in the description below. This section outlines the main strengths and weaknesses of the WORX nail gun, providing a balanced view to help you make an informed decision. At 6.7 pounds, it can be a bit heavy for prolonged overhead use. The 2.0 AH battery might require frequent recharging during extensive projects, suggesting the need for additional batteries. It is priced higher than some other nail finishers on the market, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Despite a few drawbacks, the WORX offers numerous advantages that make it a strong contender for both professional and DIY use. The high-efficiency brushless motor delivers superior power and runtime, making it suitable for demanding tasks. Tool-free jam release, dry fire lockout, and dual LED lights enhance usability and safety. Suitable for a wide range of applications, including baseboards, crown molding, and door trim. Eliminates the need for hoses, compressors, and gas cartridges, providing greater mobility and ease of use. Part of the PowerShare family, allowing battery sharing across multiple WORX tools, reducing overall costs. What do you think about this tool? Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. The WORX Finish Nail Gun offers a blend of power, efficiency, and user-friendly features, making it a valuable tool for various woodworking and finishing projects. Its advanced technology and cordless design provide a convenient and effective solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance finish nail gun, the WORX is definitely worth considering. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more reviews and tool tips. Happy nailing!